Hey guys, and in this video I'll show you how to add photo to contact on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. Let's get started. And for this we need to open phone application and choose a contact to which we want to add a photo. For example, let's choose my friend Maddie. I'm gonna tap it, then tap on the info icon and select to edit it. And now just tap on its profile and you'll be able to set a photo for it. You can either choose camera and take a photo right now. You can choose gallery and add a photo from your gallery. Then just tap down button. And also you can use AR emojis. Just select any emoji from the list. For example, this redhead one. And if you have finished, just save the changes by tapping save button. And confirm by tapping it again. And that's it, now the photo appears right near the name of your contact. So, hope this video was useful for you and thank you so much for watching.